The following message is transmitted at the request of the Washington Police Department, in conjunction with the CDC. This is not a test, I repeat, this is not a test. If you are hearing this message outdoors, move indoors immediately. Remaining outside will cause certain death. In the past 3 minutes, multiple violent, cannibalistic attacks have been reported. These creatures have been confirmed to be zombies. Zombies will attack, eat, and kill any living thing it sees in a cannibalistic manner. If you believe you are infected or have been bitten, commit suicide immediately, as this is the only way out from becoming a mindless, cannibalistic zombie. If you allow yourself to reanimate into a zombie, you will violently attack those around you. This virus is believed to be airborne, and symptoms are unknown at this time. Zombies can be identified by the following characteristics: red eyes and discolored pupils, a large number of cuts and abrasions, extremely sharp teeth, a shuffling gait, the ability to move quickly without warning, an inescapable grip, and an urge to commit cannibalism. If you see a zombie, kill it immediately using a sword, scythe, axe, gun, baseball bat, or other large blade or blunt object and target the zombie's brain. Do not use it anywhere else, as the zombie will continue functioning and will attack you. If you are attacked by these cannibalistic monsters, commit suicide immediately so you do not become a threat to society. Due to this virus being airborne, you should turn off all systems that bring in air from the outside, close, lock, and seal all possible entrances to your home, and close all fireplace dampers and shelter in place. Stay tuned for updates on this dangerous situation.
This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Stand by for a message from the President of the United States.
This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. I regret to inform the American public, especially on the 4th of July, that we are under attack by zombies. Yes, zombies. Over 200 million Americans have become zombies, and if this virus spreads globally, extinction cannot be ruled out. A cure is being developed faster than any other cure before, but it is unknown if this will work, as it may be too late by the time the cure is developed. I know this is probably hard to comprehend, but that is the truth. America, do not give up hope. There is some light at the end of the tunnel. We will survive this zombie apocalypse and rebuild damaged or destroyed areas. America, stay calm, stay safe, and do not give up hope. This ends my message. May God bless us all. Oh my God. Zombies have just entered this location. I need to get the hell out of here now.
That was a message from the President of the United States. We will now return to the emergency alert system.
That was a message from the President of the United States. Normal programming has been suspended until this crisis is over. Stay tuned for updates on this extremely dangerous situation. All clear. I repeat, all clear. The cure that was being developed was proven to be 95% effective, and is now available for emergency use. In addition, all the zombies have been killed with the help of governments around the world, and all residents may leave their shelter at this time. Again, this is an all clear. The cure was successful, and the zombies have been killed, and you may leave your shelters at this time. The United States government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency. Emergency broadcasts will now be handed over to state and local officials, and normal programming will resume shortly. Again, the United States government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency.
This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow.